burp. Okay, so recording?
Yeah, okay, so this is the burping contest. Okay, one of the creepy thing this 8-year-old told me.
Wait.
Fail. Wait. You can't burp with pressure. Zoom in and zoom out. Zoom in. I'm enjoying this.
Shut the fuck
and
up.
then out.
No. I can do a bottle of milk for some odd reason. Diaphragm!
I think it's my turn now.
Now you can't put it on because I just swore.
So what? It's okay.
You can't post it?
No, since we're dropping F-bombs, we can't put it up.
You said mother feking, not fucking.
It doesn't
and I just and you just said it again!
Shut, bitch!
And your mom is okay with you saying bitch instead of
Didn't you say one, bitch?
I think. I have no clue. My mom's just adorable.
There it was.
There we go.
There we go.
Get a little bit of air in there because it makes it easier to burp.
I have a feeling one coming on.
Oh yeah, after lunch or during lunch, she'll just look at me and start talking, and then instead of saying something, she just belches. Oh, I could hear the pop and that one come up. Did it come up? Yeah, that's what happens when I burp. All the pop comes up. And of course I'm talking when you burp, Kaylee.
I'm trying to burn my cat.
She's stealing them all.